Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate transaction tracking with Mint. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To automate transaction tracking with Mint, start by visiting the Mint website or opening the Mint app. Log into your Mint account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for free by providing your email and creating a password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Click on Add Account to link your bank and credit card accounts. Select the type of account you want to add. Enter your bank's name and follow the prompts to input your login information. Mint will securely connect to your account and sync your transactions. After successfully linking your accounts, go to the Transactions tab. Here, you can view all your imported transactions in one place. To organize your transactions, utilize the categorization feature. Click on any transaction to assign it a category. Choose from pre-existing categories or create a custom one. Set a default category for transactions that frequently appear. Now, adjust your transaction preferences in the settings. Go to Settings and select Transaction Preferences. Here, you can choose how often Mint updates your account information. For more control, set up alerts for specific transactions or budget limits. Ensure you check your categories regularly to maintain accurate tracking. Finally, consider reviewing your spending summaries monthly for insights. With these steps, you can effectively automate tracking your transactions with Mint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.